Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from Azure Automation channel. Today we will discuss about how we can perform mouse over actions in Selenium with Python coding language. So we have seen this same topic in our Java series. So in case you wanted to learn Java and how we can do all Selenium actions using a Java, you can check. I will provide that playlist in the description section. You can find it from there. So let's get started. And for this we will use an example website which is provided by Selenium. So this is a website. I will provide this link as well in the description. You can do multiple actions using a different operations in Selenium. So this is the example website I'm taking. So in this there is a hoverable button is there, and as soon as I hover mouse over on it, I will see a text. So in the real application you won't see like this. You will see in a sub menu. So when you mouse over to any button or any menu item, you will see a sub menu or sub options in it. So as soon as you do that, you need to click on the option. So here we are not clicking, but here we are capturing that hovered text as an acceptance criteria. So let's get started. Let me get back to PyCharm. So here we have to do few things. One is the import Selenium, and it is from WebDriver. I need to import from Selenium. Later on, I need to create a reference for our WebDriver to open our browser. Right. After that, I need to provide some waiting mechanism using a time mode dot implicit wait, which is equal to some 5 seconds. All right. Then after, I need to perform to make my browser to maximize. So maximize window. Soon after that, I need to take driver dot get. So this get, you know, right, how we have to open our website using this get method. And I will go to this website and take that website URL and paste it here. So as soon as I do that, next option I need to do is I need to find the web element. So for that, I will go to Chrome. Again, I will go here into the hoverables and inspect. So you can use the tools as well. So I am using a selector subs tool as well. You can use that tool, but here in this case it is having an ID. I will directly take the ID. So before we take, we have to show that ID is unique and no other name exists with that name. So I can see it is a one of one case. So let's take that as an reference. So let's say this as an hover element. You can name it as web element also, just, and I'm just naming it. And then after driver dot find element by dot id id. So this by you have to import. So this is from commons, right? Again, then after you can comma separated and provide that id here. So now to perform our actions, we will have an action chains class. So we can use that action chain. So for that, I will use this action chain, right? So as soon as I mouse over to it, it will ask me to import mechanism, but it is not showing the exact one. Let me do one thing. Let me manually import it. Selenium dot WebDriver dot common. Then after that, action chains import action chains. So this is the class that we have to import, right? So this is the class we need to import, and this is referenced with WebDriver driver. And this I will store in a element called name called action. So just a naming reference, nothing else. So this will hold all the actions which I'm performing right now. Then after actions dot, we have to tell our mouse pointer to move to that element. So to move to that element, I will use move to the element, and here that element is our WebDriver element. So that is the web element. So this hover element is my reference one. And after that, dot click. So click, I need to go there and click and to perform, say that this action to be performed there. And soon after that, I do this action, and soon after that what I need to do is I will get this hoverable, right? Hovered, there is a hovered text which is coming, right? So this is the responsible item for it. So it is saying strong ID move status, right? So you can see here it is the exact item which is showing, right? So this is an ID. Let's try with that. Let's, if our test case fails, then we will see again. So I'm saying asset driver dot find element by dot id, and this is the id dot text equals. So this is the Howard. Everything is small case Howard. So let me go back to PyCharm and say this as Howard, right? So this is double equals, not single equals, because it's asset, right? So all right, so this is actions class which will perform a mouse over action. Soon after that we will capture that text. Let me right click and perform run. Let's see. So our test case is getting passed. So just to show you the time, I'm providing a hard time stop, which is time dot sleep 2 seconds, and soon after that I will print something. Print execution done, right? Save, and again I will run this just to show you it is performing that action or not. You can see there is a hover text is coming. My mouse pointer is somewhere in the middle, but it performed that, and it the code execution done, print statement is printed. So this is the way that you can do mouse over actions using a simple line which is called actions chains class. Hope you like this session. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. In case if you have any questions, queries, do post in my comment section. I will help you out. Thank you for watching.